Let's check out this pool deck. It's part Chattahoochee, part paver. Looks really nice. I just cleaned all this up. We're going to do a patch job here and a seal job. Call under pressure. We do the job right the first time around, especially when you got $2 million properties, huh? Look at that. Looks nice. Huh? 561-907. Oh, 561-971-0235. It's a new number. And we're going to be fixing a hole because I had to fix something in the pool. We're going to patch that and then seal all that. It's going to look like $1 million. You know who does it right for you? That's us. Call Pro, you already know. 561-971-0235. We cover all of South Florida, even Miami, where I'm at right now. All right, y'all have a good one. See you soon.